Hey everybody! This video is going to talk about writing the equations of vertical and horizontal lines through a given point. So, the question says to write equations for horizontal and vertical lines passing through the point -2, -5. Well, first let's talk about what this is going to look like. The point -2, -5 is there, right? Now, a horizontal line passing through that point is going to look like this. So, what's the equation of that going to be? Well, if we look at this line, no matter what my x value is, my x value is -5, my y value is -5, my x value is -3, my y value is -5, right? So y is always going to be -5. I don't need to have any x in there like a function, because no matter what I plug in for y or for x, I'm always going to just get y is -5. So that becomes my equation. Now what about the vertical line passing through this point? The vertical line looks like this. So what happens? Well, it's kind of like that, a little wonky. But what happens? Well, x is always -2. So my equation for the vertical line passing through that point is x is -2. If you'll notice something, x is -2, y is -5, right? So if I'm writing a horizontal line, my equation is just going to be y equals my y value. If I'm writing a vertical line, my equation is just going to be x equals the x value of that point. So, fairly simple idea here. That is the topic, writing the equations of vertical and horizontal lines through a given point.